Happy New Year to you guys, my people. It's your boy Victor, and we're in a new year. So, I'm here to teach you guys how to deposit money into the Headway Broker. And here I've selected the local bank transfer. That's the process which I want to use. So, there's it. I'm waiting for it to load. Okay. I want to deposit a minimum amount of $6 just to practice. So let's start with that. This is a new year, and we need to get serious with our trading, and we should know how to manage our risk what you can afford to manage. So risk what you can afford to lose. So as for me, I just want to start little, 9,000 naira just for start. So here's it. This is the accounts I should transfer to. So what I just have to do is to copy this account number, go over to my OPay or my Kuda or my PalmPay. But here in this case, I have two phones, so I'm using the other phone now to transfer to this to the Sterling Bank. I just copy the account number, check the bank and the name of the bank. So all I just have to do is to type it into my bank app and just make the transfer. So that's what I'm on right now. Let's just give us some minutes and this will be done. So by the way, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Subscribe, you should subscribe. All this that I'm teaching you guys, the least you could do for me is to subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's go. Okay, so we're waiting. Let's the upload. It's still loaded. I'm still sending the money. I'm still running the transfer. So, and remember, this account you only send money to it once. After some minutes, the account will expire and it will be a new one. So if you send money, it's at your own risk. Sussex, it has worked. I've sent the money successfully, and here's it. Here are the details. Here's $1 bonus is because of the bonus, 30% bonus that I had from the broker. So you too can get that too. You can even get more if you deposit more. Now this is the account, the bonus, it has appeared.